guys, I'm back with a Sips By box unboxing and review. This is Sips By. You guys know, if you've been on my channel, I've talked about them a ton. I now get my box every other month just because I can't get through the teas fast enough when I get it every month because it's just me. But I have like this giant collection of teas now and I'm not drinking it fast enough. I say this every video. This is a monthly, well I guess bi-monthly for me, subscription to teas. You get 4 every month and you get 4 of each every month. You get ones with high caffeine, caffeine free, medium caffeine, low caffeine. They usually have a very good mix. They have herbal teas, black teas, like everything. If you just want to try more teas, I think this is a really great option. Or if you love tea and you just want to, like, you know, you're pretty experimental with things. I'm more of a coffee drinker. I'm trying to get into tea, and that's why I decided to work with Sips By. So I do work with them. They do send me this box for free to offer my review, just to let you guys know, see what I think, which again makes me appreciate the company even more. Brands that don't require you to say certain things, I think awesome. They really want an honest review. So I just got this a couple of days ago, so I haven't tried it yet. So the first one we have here is pumpkin spice. So they're really living up the October, like, fall vibes. So we have pumpkin spice, the Republic of Tea. It's a high caffeine tea. It's black tea. It has ginger, nutmeg, pumpkin flavors, sweet blackberry leaves, cloves, and allspice. It says it's energizing, cozy. Add a splash of milk to transform it into a pumpkin pie in a cup. Ooh, that sounds good. I'm a big fan of pumpkin spice, not like in the annoying way, but I am. So this one I will definitely be trying. So that one sounds really nice. What's next? 3 Mint Tea by Pukka, P-U-K-K-A. Looks like that. It says a verdant fusion of organic peppermint, spearmint, and field mint. Now, I do not like mint teas. Just not for me. I've tried quite a few and I just don't like them. So I probably won't try this just because I know I don't like peppermint teas. I know it's so good for you, but mint teas for me are just not it. So I'll probably give this one to my brother, and that is a caffeine-free tea. And then we have dandelion red chai from Ticino. Now, I've tried 2 teas from the brand Ticino through this box and I didn't like them. I felt like they were trying to be coffee and they weren't coffee. But this is called dandelion red chai. Caffeine-free. Made with organic chicory and dandelion, stimulated spices, and accent red rhubarb, I don't know. It's a medium roast, like I said, no caffeine. This is an antioxidant-rich blend of dandelion, of everything I just said. Gentle stimulation without the need for caffeine, It says, like I said, chicory, dates, dandelion root, cinnamon, ginger, spice flavor, cardamom, sweet blackberry leaves, black pepper, and cloves. So that might be something better than the ones that were kind of like trying to be coffee, but I will be trying that one too. And then last we have this, which is a loose leaf tea, I believe, right? Yeah, it's loose leaf tea. It comes in this, so I'm not going to open this up right this second. It is a Earl Grey tea. My favorite is English breakfast, I believe. Maybe Earl Grey? I can't tell. I always confuse the two. I think Earl Grey is actually my favorite, and English breakfast is the one that ends up tasting like Fruit Loops to me. That's just my vibe. So this is a medium caffeine tea. Has a citrusy body and a hint of French vanilla. It's rich and robust. So that is a loose leaf tea. I don't have my own kind of loose leaf tea steeper, but they do give you a bag to put it in. I got it a couple of months ago. So I'm going to do that when I try that. So I will be trying the pumpkin spice one, the dandelion red chai, and the tea lira. Am I saying that right? Tea lira. But I won't be trying the mint one just because I know I don't like it. But so yeah, so those were my October teas from Sips By, and we will get into letting you know how they were. This smells so good. It smells like fall. Not like a pumpkin spice latte, but like tea with pumpkin or apple. It's very fall. Like it smells like fall. Okay, I look weird, but okay, we're gonna try it. Still smells so good. It's lighter than a normal black tea. Ooh, I like it. Anything pumpkin I'm usually pretty much into. I like it. This is probably one of the best ones I've had. I mean, I only had one sip, but oh, well, if you're a tea drinker and you wanted to try a pumpkin spice latte, but you don't like coffee or like the heavy cream or sugar, this is awesome. It has the pumpkin spice flavor, but without any like extra sweetness. It's like just like fall tea. It's tea for fall. That's what it is. I like it. Oh my god, I would actually buy this. Like, I would go out and buy this. I like it so much. I like it a lot, actually. Wow. This one's getting a 5 out of 5. Totally. 100%. Love it. This is fantastic. Delicious. Okay, so this is going to be my nighttime tea because it's caffeine free. It's the dandelion one. And I'm going to... It smells really good. It says it has stimulating spices, so I hope it doesn't keep me awake. Let's see. It smells like apple cider. It's good. It's good. It definitely smells like apple cider, but it's kind of bland. I mean, the orange, the pumpkin spice one I think was better, but this was good. Like, I'll finish this. It smells like apple cider, but it has more of a I don't know, like, you can taste the spices, but like, I don't know. Maybe it's like not strong enough for me. I don't know, but it's good. I definitely drink this again. I wouldn't buy this one, but I'll enjoy the ones I have. So the last one, I'm gonna have to try it tomorrow because it's like already 11:30. It's gonna be this loose leaf one, which I'm a little nervous about because every time I've tried a loose leaf tea, I haven't liked it. Okay, so I tried this tea yesterday and I totally forgot to film me trying it in the moment, so I thought I'd just pop on my Mac and tell you what I thought of this one. It's actually not loose leaf. I don't know why I thought it was loose leaf tea. It's hard to open, but I feel like that keeps it. It's actually these little tea bags, so it's like loose leaf in there. You know, it's not like little leaves. It's like full on tea. But it's my favorite. It's not bad. It's definitely, it says it's a black tea. Earl Grey Moonlight. It doesn't taste like Earl Grey tea to me. It tastes like English breakfast tea to me. It has like a fruitiness to it, and it was like, I don't even know, like, it has a flavor. It might be the bergamot. It says it's in it. That might be what it is that's like throwing me off. So my favorite one is definitely the pumpkin spice. I thought that one was fantastic. That's it for the October Sips by Tea box unboxing review. The pumpkin spice one was by far my favorite. I haven't looked into it yet to buy, but like, I would 100% buy that one. So that one was a favorite. I still think after all the months I've gotten it, that lavender chamomile one was my favorite, like, overall, because chamomile tea is my jam. But, yeah, I think that's it. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to check out the description box below for a discount code. I don't make any money off of this code. It's just for you guys to try out Sips by, and I'll see you next time. Bye!